Welcome back to part 4 of the Rocket R58 Teardown series. In this video, we'll be taking apart the entire E61 Grouphead, starting with the brew lever. The brew lever is actually quite simple to remove. Start by using an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the two interlocking nuts. Once they are out, use a soft hammer or a rubber mallet to gently tap the brass valve out of the housing. Be careful here as there is spring-loaded assembly inside. Make sure you don't lose any of the small parts. With everything disassembled, I soak all the components in a hot espresso cleaning solution for a few minutes. After soaking, I give everything a good rinse to remove any remaining coffee oils and residue. Once they are clean, I dry all the parts thoroughly with a clean towel before assembly. Before putting everything back together, I apply a thin layer of Molykote 111 food-grade silicone grease to all the moving parts. This helps the lever move smoothly and also protects the seals. Reassembly is simply the reverse, so make sure you follow the same order when installing each component. The brass internal shaft on this machine is still in good condition, so I'll be reusing it. If yours shows signs of wear or deep scratches, it's a good idea to replace it while you have everything apart. Once everything is back together, tighten the two locking nuts with your adjustable wrench. The brew lever should now feel smooth and operate just like new. Next, we'll move on to dismantling the E61 Grouphead itself. Smooth! Next, we'll start by removing the top nut of the E61 Grouphead. This nut is a size 16, so you'll need a fairly large adjustable wrench. I'm using Knipex 250 adjustable wrench and it works perfectly for this job. Once that's removed, you'll have access to what's commonly known as the mushroom. I took apart the mushroom assembly and removed the spring and valve inside the top section of the grouphead. I've already ordered a new O-ring for the mushroom, so I'll be replacing that once it arrives. At the same time, I also ordered a complete set of the new brass internals for the E61 grouphead. Next, I removed the lower section of the grouphead. This part is called the exhaust. It is where the excess water and coffee residue are discharged during brewing. As you can see, it was extremely dirty and filled with coffee buildup. I'm really glad I opened it up because this definitely needs a proper clean. I also removed the shower screen and group gasket. Since I already had everything apart, I decided to replace these with new parts as well. Using a toothbrush, I gave the inside of the grouphead a good scrub to remove the remaining buildup. A few days later, the replacement parts arrived. I received a complete set of the new E61 brass internals along with all the rubber seals from the official Rocket Espresso reseller, Marsa. Before installing the new mushroom O-ring, I applied a thin layer of Molykote food-grade silicone grease and then installed the entire top assembly back into the grouphead. Next, I moved on to the lower section and repeated the same process, applying a light coat of food-safe silicone grease to all the parts and seals before reassembly. Finally, I installed the new shower screen with a fresh group gasket. I also reinstalled the missing drip tray nut that I'd been meaning to replace. And with that, the refurbishment of this Rocket R58 is almost complete. Thank you so much for following along this series, and I hope you enjoy every bit of it.